We were trying to figure out the range of monthly balances of Carl's account. We know he deposits $120 up to a point, and then he starts withdrawing $50 a month. It's also given that he has a balance of $2,600 in May. Now, what else can I get from that? If he made deposits January through May, the most that could have been would have been 120. 5 months times 120 is $600. So that tells me he had initial balance of $2,000. I don't know if I need that or not. It was easy for me to calculate. All right, clue 1. April's balance is less than $26.25. April's balance is less than $26.25. And May's balance is $2,600. So what that means is he deposited in May, because if he had withdrawn, April's balance would have been $2,650. Is that right? Yeah, he deposited. Otherwise, this number here would have been $2,650. So we know he deposited. All right. But that doesn't tell me about what happens in June. What happens after May? We don't know if he continues to deposit or if he starts withdrawing. So clue 1 doesn't work by itself. All right, clue 2. Clue 2. June's balance is less than $2,675. So that's $2,675. So let's think about that. May is $2,600. That means he had to withdraw between here and here. He had to withdraw in June, because if there was a deposit, it would have been, the next balance would have been $2,600 plus 120, and that would have been $2,720, and the balance is less than $2,675. So we know he withdrew. Then we know that June's balance would be $2,600 minus 50, which is $2,550. But what did he do? We knew he withdrew, but what about the previous month? Did he withdraw, or did he make a deposit? I don't know, because we had to forget about clue 1 when we did clue 2. So clue 2 doesn't work independently, but we put them both together. We were given this $2,600 for May, and from clue 1, this is $2,480, and from clue 2, we know this is $2,550. So we know the range. So your answer's C. You need both of those clues.